Okay, a very good morning, children. Children, today let us complete that exponent and power chapter. In the previous class, I was discussing about k into 10 to the power n form or standard form or scientific notation. How to write a number in scientific notation, that is k into 10 to the power n form. I have already explained with several examples. Now we will discuss the last part, that is usual form. What is usual form of a number and how it is different from the scientific notation or standard form. Okay. So what is usual form? To understand, let us discuss one example so that you will understand. See, consider this number. Suppose you are given a number 1.235 into 10 to the power 5. If you look minutely, if you look at this question bit minutely, you will find that it is clearly in k into 10 to the power n form. That means it is in the standard form or k into 10 to the power n form, where the value of k I have already told you. Look at this is the value of k, 1.235. It is clearly less than 10 and greater than 1. This value is clearly less than 10 and greater than 1, and n is 5, which is a positive integer. So it is no doubt in the form of k into 10 to the power n. Now, how to change it into or how to convert it into usual form? So what is the usual form of this particular number which is given in standard form? Let us find out. Very simple. You know fraction, first you change it into fraction. It will be 1, 2, 3, 5. You see, after the point how many places are there? 3 places. So when it is changed into decimal fraction, there will be 3 zeros after 1. See, that means it will be 1000. Okay. So this is 10 to the power 5, very fine. Now see, this is 1000, 1000 in power notation, it will be 10 to the power how much? It will be 10 to the power 3, okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 5 divided by 10 to the power 3, and this is 10 to the power 5. Now see, look at, now 10 to the power 5 divided by 10 to the power 3, you can apply the second law of exponent, x to the power n by x to the power n equal to what? X to the power m minus n. So, using the second law of exponent, this will be 1235 into 10 to the power 5 minus 3. So, 1235 into 10 to the power 2 means 100. So, it will be 1235 into 100. So, it will be 123,500. You see, that means 1,23,500. You see, this is the usual form or the usual number whose standard form will be this. In a similar manner, children, you can also do this one. Let us use it. Again, this question, this is also given in which form? Standard form, that is k into 10 to the power n, which is known as scientific notation. Now, how to find the usual form? Very simple. First, you change it into fraction. It is 72 by 10. Because after point only one place is there. So, this is 10 to the power minus 4. Here 10 means 10 to the power 1. Now, this one you divide. Apply the second law of exponent. So it will be 72 into 10 to the power minus 4 minus 1. Here it is divided. The power is 1, it will be subtracted. So it is 72 into 10 to the power how much? Minus 5. Now this will be 72. Again you know the formula, x to the power minus m equal to 1 by x to the power n. Just we have already read, you see. So this will be 1 by 10 to the power 5, and 1 by 10 to the power 5 is how much? You see, 1 by 10 to the power 5, this will be equal to 72 divided by 10 to the power 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, this will be 10 to the power 5. That means there will be 5 zeros after 1. Now this is a decimal fraction, and you can easily change it into what? Decimal number. Okay, there are 5 zeros after 1. So there should be 5 digits or 5 places after the decimal point. There are 2 digits 72. So what will be the other 3 digits? Definitely 000. You know this thing from class 5. So you see, this will be the original number or usual number whose scientific notation will be 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 or k into 10 to the power n form. Okay. Now consider the last question to end the chapter. See, so suppose you are given a number, see 1,384,000, 1 million, international system of naming, you know, international, in class 5 we had read international system of numeration. So suppose you are given such a big number, how to change it into standard form or k into 10 to the power n form? What is the procedure? I have told you, children. Let me write once again. Here, see, suppose you are given a number 1,384,000. 384,000. How to express it in standard form or k into 10 to the power n. What is the procedure? The first step is, I had said, you write it in decimal form. You see, you write this number in decimal form. That means you put 0.0. Okay, 10 just put. Okay. Now see, what is the next step? The next step is we have to shift this point here after 3 or after 1. You see, after 1. So that the value of k will be less than 10 and greater than or equal to 1. See. Now how to shift this? You count how many places you are shifting from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means if you shift this point 6 places towards the left, then only it will come in the form of k into 10 to the power n. Otherwise not. Okay, so bring it. So now to shift, what we will do? What is the process I had said? You divide by 10 to the power 6 and multiply by 10 to the power 6. Okay? So it is 1384000. You see. Now, what is the rule? I had said that when the point is shifted from right to left, children, this thing you have to keep in mind so that the calculation will be quicker. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time. So, when the point gets shifted from right to left, okay, in order to bring it into the form of what? Standard form or k into 10 to the power n. I have said that you keep this denominator silent or constant. Just multiply this one. That means this one is to be multiplied here and this will be kept silent. The reason is because you are shifting the point from right to left. But when it is shifted from left to right, this will be kept silent and this will be in operation. Means you have to work out, keeping this one silent. But here we are shifting the point from right to left, so this will be kept silent and this will be operated. Operated means it will be multiplied, and if this is multiplied, you know what will be the result. The result will be 1.384000. Okay, the point just came here, divided by 10 to the power 6. Now check it, 1.384000 into 10 to the power minus 6. These 3 zeros have no value, so it is 1.384 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, children, I discussed so many things. How to express large number in exponential form, I mean in the standard form or scientific notation or k into 10 to the power n form, what is usual form, what is the difference between them, how to convert usual form into what? How to convert usual form into standard form and standard form into usual form. Everything I discussed in detail, giving several examples. And I hope you must have understood, you must have got a clear concept so that you will be able to apply it while doing problems. Okay, so with this the chapter exponent and power came to an end. We will discuss some new chapter in the next class. Okay, thank you.